Hey car enthusiasts everywhere! The automotive world is abuzz with rumors about the highly anticipated 2026 Dodge Durango. Dodge has long been a leader in delivering power and refinement, and this iteration looks set to further enhance its legacy. Welcome to the Four-Wheel channel. As spy photos and concept visuals trickle in, enthusiasts are eager to see what the future holds for the iconic SUV. One thing is clear. The 2026 Durango will be a bold statement in both design and performance. Before we take a closer look at the masterpiece, be sure to hit that subscribe button to get more updates on your favorite automotive. Let's get started. Starting at the front, the 2026 Dodge Durango introduces a striking new fascia that demands attention. The grille design appears sleeker yet more aggressive, combining horizontal slats with a darkened finish that amplifies the SUV's sporty appeal. The LED headlights, now slimmer and more angular, integrate seamlessly into the grille. This sharp, futuristic look is enhanced by the prominent air intakes on the lower bumper, which not only add to the aesthetics but also suggest improved aerodynamics and cooling efficiency. Moving to the rear, the updates are equally captivating. The taillights have adopted a unified design, stretching across the width of the vehicle to create a cohesive and modern aesthetic. This light bar accentuates the SUV's width, giving it a more commanding road presence. The rear bumper has also been reimagined, featuring integrated exhaust outlets and subtle diffusers, hinting at the Durango's performance-focused DNA. The side profile of the 2026 Durango remains muscular yet refined. Bold character lines run along the body, giving the SUV a dynamic stance even when stationary. The flared wheel arches house large, sporty wheels, rumored to be available in 20-inch and 22-inch options, enhancing both style and handling. With a slightly lower roofline compared to previous models, the silhouette achieves a sleek, almost coupe-like vibe while retaining the practicality of a three-row SUV. Under the hood, of course. Dodge wouldn't be Dodge without a high-performance variant. Whispers suggest a supercharged V8 model delivering over 700 horsepower could be on the way. These engine options will likely be paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and an updated transmission for smoother, more responsive driving. As Dodge gears up for the official launch, the 2026 Durango promises to be a game-changer in the SUV segment. By combining bold design elements with powerful performance and modern technology, it seeks to appeal to a wide range of buyers. Whether you prioritize aesthetics, practicality, or sheer muscle, this new Durango seems poised to deliver on all fronts. While we await Dodge's official confirmation and unveiling, the buzz surrounding the 2026 Dodge Durango grows louder. One thing is for certain. If the rumors and leaked designs are anything to go by, this SUV is set to dominate roads and hearts alike.